Hey, welcome to this video. You are right now looking at my iPhone, or specifically you're looking at the Instagram account on my iPhone. So if I scroll down here, you can see that I'm scrolling through my Instagram feed, which is pretty CrossFit heavy. Now, more importantly, if I scroll to the top here, you can see here on top, this right here is Instagram Stories, what I'm scrolling through here, okay? When you click on an Instagram story, what happens is it's going to open up and people can either post images or they can post videos that are going to show up full screen on my phone. But the cool thing is you can now run video ads specifically to these accounts, okay? So what's going to happen sooner or later as I scroll through my feed here is that an ad is going to show up from someone, and basically, as you can see, this is a sponsored ad. It's just a simple image, okay? So it's not really blowing you away. Now let me show you an ad that I created and how that would look like if you use our Stories software. So this right here is an ad that I created with our software. You can see it's engaging, it's professional, and most importantly, it gets you engagement and it gets you clicks. Let me show you how I created an ad like that, and let me show you actually how it looks like and sounds like with sound, okay? So I'm gonna open up the Stories software right here, and now I'm gonna show you this example but with sound, and it's gonna blow you away. This is stunning, and remember, this is optimized for mobile devices and for Instagram video ads. You can see this is a beautiful example, and it's animated and it gets engagement and it gets you clicks, okay? Now we have different niches for you that you can use this for. So for example, if you want to do one with food, with business, I can click here on the business one and you can see it in full screen. And it looks stunning. It's animated, it gets engagement, and this is how it shows up on the iPhone, on any Android phone, for example, out there. Okay, optimized for mobile advertising. Now this one here is a stunning animation. Check this out. Just absolutely stunning. And I created each of these videos literally without exaggeration in just 2 minutes flat. Actually, let me show you. If I go here to my Stories software and I click here on create a new video, all I have to do is I just have to go through the templates right here. So we have, over 30 templates ready for you. And if you want to check one out, you just hover over it. And now that I hover over it, I can check it out and I can see if I like the animation, right? I can check the other one here. Now I can see the animation right here. And if you like it, you just click on it. And as soon as I click on it, you can see here real-time the animation. You can upload 3 images, for example, or you can upload videos, okay? That's up to you. And then you just enter your text right here, your call to action, and then you can customize the colors and you can use our audio, or you can upload your own audio if you like to. That's all you have to do. 3 images or 3 videos, the text, you can add your domain, your call to action, and then you can add your own audio or you use ours, and then you just click here on next, and boom, just like that, within 2 minutes, your brand new video ad is going to be rendered. And then it's going to show up here in my stories, and just like the examples that I just showed you, you're going to have a stunning video available just like the one that I just showed you here, okay? So here's another example that I'm going to show you really quick, and these again are optimized for mobile devices specifically. Now the question is, why is this so important? Why about Instagram? Why about Instagram Stories? And why about mobile devices? Well, let me tell you, right now Instagram has 700 million active users. That is absolutely insane that you can reach on Instagram with your video ads, okay? More importantly, Instagram Stories right now has 300 million active users. Now this right here says 250 million, but that's an older stat. Right now, Instagram Stories has 300 million active users that you could also reach in addition, okay? Here you can see 70% of businesses are using Instagram in 2017. It's gonna be even more in 2018, but just last year, over 70% of businesses using Instagram. And then here, 25% of Instagram ads are single videos. Okay, and here it says it's really important that you hook your audience in the first 30 seconds. And that's exactly what our software does. It helps you create videos for mobile devices that hook your audience in the first 15 to 30 seconds, okay? Now this right here is gonna blow you away. If you look in the middle here, the number of mobile-only Facebook users, active users, is 1 billion, including Instagram, okay? So this means people using Facebook and Instagram just on their mobile devices, 1 billion. You can't reach them if you just advertise to a desktop computer, okay? And if you look here, percentage of Facebook users that only log in from a mobile device, 56%. If you're running Instagram traffic or Facebook traffic, and you're not targeting mobile devices like iPads or mobile phones, you are losing almost 50% of your audience and your leads and your prospects and sales and traffics. That is just insane. And here's the next statistic. People are 5 times more likely to watch a video on a phone. Okay, so if you have been doing video ads in the past, you're gonna have 5 times more the chance opportunity that someone actually watches it if they're on a phone and if your video is optimized for mobile viewing, just like the videos that we create with our story software. Hey, my name is Mario Brown and I'm on a mission to help you grow your business using our brand new technology. If you like the idea of higher conversions, more traffic, and increase in leads and profits, this will be the most important video you'll watch this year, guaranteed. Here's the deal. Oliver Goodwin and I created the world's first Instagram video creation and promotion engine. We already know how powerful video and video marketing is. We just saw all the stats. The problem is finding an easy, newbie-friendly way to produce professional videos quickly. We created a unique software to produce professional animated videos in literally minutes. It's the only software optimized for mobile video ads and Instagram video ads, allowing you to reach those 700 million active Instagram users and billions of Facebook mobile users. And you can do it in just 3 simple steps. Number 1, you pick the template you like. Number 2, you customize the text and the images. Number 3, you export it and either sync it straight into your Instagram account, or you can download the MP4 file to your computer and do anything you like with it. This is perfect for online marketers, for local marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, small businesses, and e-commerce. Promote your products, your affiliate offers, software, local businesses, your Shopify store. Everything gets more engagement with video. Also, check out the animated template examples on this page below. You'll love them. But here's the kicker. Our story software does something no other software can do for you. It runs your video ads for you and syncs your stunning animated videos right into your Instagram account. No other software can do this, making Story the first video ad creation and video promotion engine available. Here's the best part. It's super easy to create these videos. Story comes with over 30 animations preloaded for any niche that you can imagine. From real estate to fitness to restaurants, it can be used for any niche. You can upload your own images, you can upload even your own videos. You got 100% freedom. With Story, you can do it all. And we created it specifically with the newbie in mind. It's insanely intuitive and easy to use. Nobody has extra time or money to wait for weeks in frustration, to get stuck, or pay thousands of dollars to a slow freelancer or company. No more video creation headaches. No more expensive and overpriced freelancers to rely on. No more waiting for weeks to get the videos delivered. With Story, it's all done in 3 simple steps and we made it crazy affordable for everyone. We developed a super simple, newbie-friendly system to create and run high-converting videos and video ads quickly. And here's the best part. No technical skills needed. It saves time and money. It produces right away. And if you take action during this launch special and before the timer hits 0, you get in at the lowest price. You'll be blown away when you see for how little you can get started today. In just minutes from now, you could be creating video ads reaching millions of prospects. You could be sending a flood of leads and traffic to your offers and content. Here's what to do next. Check out the demo and the testimonials on this page. Then right away take action and secure your access before the price goes up. Fair warning, we believe in rewarding action takers, so every day the price goes up till this launch special is over. Take action now and you'll be covered. This is a 4-day launch special, and once the 4 days are over, this deal is gone. So time is of the essence. Of course, we also have a 14-day, no questions asked, no hassles, rock solid money back guarantee. Secure your spot, kick the tire. We take all the risk. That's how much we believe in our products and results. So take action now and come on board. Sign up right away and I'll see you inside the members area.